Now this project is claiming to be the one. You know, one ring to rule them all. Is that the case with Harmony? Let's try to find out. Let me show you the price prediction for the next few months. Let me show you what's currently happening in the price section of Harmony. And let me show you which one is about to roar. A quick word of wisdom from dinosaur's mouth to your ears. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act, but a habit. This is totally true. If you want to be good at anything in life, including crypto, of course, you have to do it constantly. Constantly train yourself to act according to your plan that you've set before the event that you're waiting for. So, make it a habit. There are all sorts of habits, bad and good. I fight my bad habits all the time and still got a lot of those to cover. But train yourself, push yourself hard into the good habits. They will make your crypto journey easier. They will make your life in general easier and better. Now, if you haven't made a habit of clicking the subscribe button, act right now. Join our crypto pack, subscribe to the channel, click the red box. We are welcoming you. Hope you find some value in it. Let's see what's happening in the markets today and who is shaking the most. A little green day. Oh, cute. The biggest loser in the top 10 and the only one is Dogecoin, minus 6%. But the one above him, Cardano, is fairly more interesting, because he is the only one in the top 10 doing double digits for now. 10% to the upside. Cardano and XRP contenders, both right now at $1.40. If you're interested in Cardano, we made a price prediction for 2021. Check out, are we on track or are we shitting nails? Keep me in check. See if my word has any meaning, any value, or I just talk bullshit. Hope not. The biggest mover of the day is Phantom, 38% to the upside. But I want to mention, besides Phantom, Engine, who is more than 15% at this moment, surging to the upside. Engine coin was covered on our channel a couple of times. Just a few videos ago, we talked about it. So also check it out. Now, one thing awaits. Only one chart for the only one coin, and his name is One. Or if you want to call it Harmony, that's okay. He is Harmony, crypto that we will visit right now. Now that's what I call a bull run. Harmony versus dollar, ladies and gentlemen. Every candle is one day, so today we are looking at daily chart, and based on that daily chart we will make a price prediction for the next few months. By the way, let me mention, if you want your coin to be covered in the next video, check out the description for that matter. And now let's get into one. Right from the beginning of 2021, Harmony decided, yep, New Year's Eve, I'm gonna go up. There you go. Initial trend line that was established by the price action of Harmony. In there, it all started. One more time, retest, and then even more parabolic move. Now, is this trend line that you're seeing on the screen right now important? Well, yes and no. It is important because it is the ultimate initiative trend line of the bull run, but I don't think that it holds any value right now. Yeah, it could be that at some point in the future, maybe in a few months, I don't know, this trend line will be retested. For now, I think Harmony is bullish enough not to test this trend line. But let me show you the more parabolic one that Harmony established over the course of the last few months. Well, something like this. From that point, the move became parabolic. Not super parabolic, but you know, steeper trend line than the previous one. The points of support, we have it so many of them, it's really not needed to show everyone, but okay, I will do it. Okay, 3 touches here, 3 touches here, resumption. This month we broke below it, and of course now that was our support to the upside, eventually could become, and I think it will, our resistance at some point over the next few months. Now okay, if we talk about those absolutes, yeah, by the technical analysis rules, it is possible that now that this trend line is broken, this one became retested. But one more time I'm stating, take the bullish narrative of all the crypto right now and Harmony. I think a pullback to these levels would be a little too much. Even though, and I even think that Harmony has done its pulling back, his correction might be over. And no, maybe right now Harmony isn't ready to resume to the upside. Or maybe it is, we'll see. But you know, how about some resting time, some consolidation period? That would be pretty healthy for me. And in my opinion, which is my opinion, I'm not a financial advisor. All of this is just my opinion. Now, I will erase everything. I really meant everything except the trend line that you're seeing on the screen. Why is that? Now, let's concentrate on today's action and why this really could be the turning point for Harmony. I will tell you why. 89 exponential moving average. The big one, but when he is paired with 144 exponential moving average, then this support zone becomes very, very important. And ladies and gentlemen, this support zone is the one, yes, the one for the one, that could be having the biggest significance in the bull trend of Harmony. And in any asset for that matter, this zone is the one I on this channel especially follow. My technical analysis is based on this zone. So while we're above this zone of 89 and 144, as Harmony bounced from it pretty clearly, right? I'm satisfied. No Harmony bull trend broken. It's intact. This is super healthy. A bounce out of this big level could just result in a more upside potential. Now, of course, if we fall below this support line of 144 and 89 exponential moving average, then yes, I would take a little more bearishness. I will put my bear voice, not this mild bull voice. I'll put like this, "We are bearish right now, I'm sorry." You know? But all jokes aside, really, if we fall below these lines of 89 and 144, that right now are standing at 0.07, so 7 cents, 144, and 0.09, 9 cents, almost 10 cents, 89 exponential. So, big support at levels of below 10 cents and above 7 cents. Think about it that way. Simple stuff. So, just based on this bounce from those levels, I think we're bullish. And even if I plot you volume, which of course is the biggest at these levels, biggest volume, biggest candle is here, when there was a lot of profit taking and FOMO buying. But since then you see that we had a declining volume, so a bigger buying power hasn't stepped in yet. Because of that, one more time I'm stating, a retest of those levels that we just mentioned is pretty possible in my opinion. Don't get caught and be surprised by it. We are bullish, but more resting period is absolutely possible. What I do like about this move from this retracement, the big crash a few days ago, is that we had a bigger than average, this blue line is an average volume at times we hit this zone, okay? So this is a nice indication. People are somewhat interested in buying Harmony at these levels. That's good for the upward trajectory of one. Now, time is for the price prediction. Let's remove moving averages and volume and leave this line. I show you why we are leaving this line on the screen right now. First of all, for us to make that price prediction, one thing for the one must serve us, and that is that this point, 7 cents in Harmony, was the low of that move. If Harmony haven't done retracing and go below it, then no, this price prediction that I will give you for the next few months, invalid. It holds no ground anymore. Taking into account that on the 24th of March we made a high, and that was the price of 22 cents, our biggest move. And I'm taking into account that this low was the lowest point of our move that we're gonna measure, 7 cents. For that price prediction, that needs to happen. We shouldn't go below this line, or we are invalidated. That said, let's use Fibonacci retracement tool, put it in reverse to get Fibonacci extensions into the future. Something like this holds ground, right? Now, the extensions we got were 161.8, 261.10, 361.8, 41.6%. Got it? But the levels after we breach again, which surely wouldn't be the problem in this bull market, 22 cents, are as follows: 31 cents, after that 45 cents, pretty surely I suppose 59 cents, so almost 60 cents. And somewhere on that journey to the upside, I'm speaking about 68 cents. Keep in mind, this is not the final target, this is just for the middle of year or something like that, based on this retracement, based on this move from the previous price action. When we get the new data, then we will evaluate what's happening in Harmony and do another price prediction. That's the way that this game goes, right? Now, the final part. Why we left this trend line here? Because I will suppose, let's do it like this. Let's erase unnecessary stuff. Let's pull out those extensions and let's extend the trend line. What did we get? Well, we just got ourselves, after the extension of this trend line, here a rough time estimate when that 68 cents could be happening. So, what's AD? When is this? 25th of May, the trend line set. So, this could be happening. Of course, this is just a speculation, and it's not that we're gonna go in a straight line like this. There are many possible routes. We can do like this, for example. We can do like this. There are no rules, ladies and gentlemen. All is possible. And of course, why wouldn't we do something like this? This is just my brain in the future. I hope you're getting the drift what I'm about to say. 68 cents is the line that Harmony in the next few months could be traveling to. That's all I'm gonna say. Nothing more. Think about it and just enjoy the journey. Because right now, we are sitting at 13 cents and Fibonacci just gave us the level of 68. So, I suppose it's a nice investment, right? And I suppose that if you are agreeing with me, that you already smashed that like button. Because you know that you are supporting this channel with smashing the likes, with subscribing, with sharing, all the good buttons on the screen. There is one better one. Don't touch it. Thank you for participating in this till the end. And now, before you leave, check out one of these videos that I'm pointing at right now. You could be finding some value and some exciting stuff in there also. Until the next time, be in harmony with the nature, with life. Be the one.